I look well rested now, but I used to toss and turn like a washing machine all night long. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly the essential oil blend that I use to fall asleep now pretty much instantly. Now, when I started my essential oil journey, I was buying oils from the health food store, but none of them seemed to work. So I thought, well, I know, I'll try Young Living essential oils. They're a big company. Surely those ones will work. Well, I was getting so fed up with not being able to find a sleep solution in essential oils that I was going to give up my essential oil journey altogether. But gratefully, I had a friend of mine tell me, will you just try doTERRA essential oils? I am so glad I did. I was skeptical, but then I was blown away. What she explained to me is that in the essential oil industry, there's no regulation. So most essential oils that claim to be having this benefit or that benefit have never been tested. In fact, it's estimated that over 86% of oils that are available on the market are actually adulterated in one way or another. In order to be able to prove that an oil is therapeutic, someone has to look at what's happening inside the bottle. Nobody's doing that. And so doTERRA is the only company in the world that has every liter of oil tested by a third party to prove that it's therapeutically relevant. All of the active ingredients that should be there to help you to sleep are going to be there. So when you're talking about essential oils, what oils are you going to use? Well, of course, you've probably heard of lavender. Everybody loves lavender because it's so beneficial for helping you get to a sleep state. The thing is that there's other oils that are going to be helpful as well, like cedarwood. Cedarwood helps you to get into that restful REM sleep really, really quickly. So if you don't have a lot of number of hours to sleep, you're going to get really good quality sleep by using cedarwood. But then there's ylang ylang and there's Roman chamomile, and the list goes on and on. And I was putting together my own blend, having to buy like 20 oils just to try to figure out what was going to work best for me. Well, I'll save you the trouble. You don't have to do that because doTERRA has put together the best blend that I have ever seen available. They've got their top scientists and their top essential oil experts together to create a blend called Serenity. Serenity is a blend of lavender, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, cedarwood, vetiver, really great for helping those racing thoughts, all together in one blend, and it smells amazing. It's simple to use, and it's really effective for helping you to get to sleep and stay asleep. Now, if you want a great sleep tonight, click my link below. I'm going to give you access to my complete sleep solutions class, my essential oils and sleep ebook, 8 powerful diffuser blends so that you can get your room smelling amazing while you're getting some great sleep. And I'm going to give you free worldwide shipping as well. And this is only available for you. You're not going to find this of anywhere else in the market. So I'm looking forward to connecting with you and helping you to get a really great sleep tonight.